Want to keep an important chat always at the top in Messenger? Here's how to pin a conversation in just a few seconds. Start by opening the Messenger app on your phone. Once you're in, make sure you're on the Chats tab at the bottom. That's where all your recent conversations are listed. Now scroll through your chat list and find the conversation you want to pin. This could be a friend, a group, or anyone you message often. Once you find it, press and hold on that chat. A small menu will pop up with several options. From that list, tap on Pin. That's it. The chat is now pinned and will stay at the very top of your Messenger list, making it super easy to find next time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button for more simple and useful guides. Got any Messenger tricks of your own? Let us know in the comments.